I have dry drilled before and it was much easier and faster to drill with the new drill bit from Rothenberger. You don't have dirt lying around. You don't need water on site. You can drill a hole quickly and easily. The advantages over wet drilling with the dry drill bit are that I don't have such a mess. The whole build doesn't float. I only have to vacuum the dust away slightly, and afterwards, the hole is just clean. I can go right back to work. There's no mud left. The pace was great. I can only make a comparison now from my experience, but we truly achieved a top result there. Drilling through the reinforced concrete was also superior. The hole turned out clean and round, and the drill bit still runs wonderfully. The total package and the combination fits together wonderfully. It works well, and it's just a clean piece of work. I would recommend the drill bits as they last a relatively long time and I can use them often. I would recommend the drill bit as it is clean and neat to work with. It was a wonderful drilling experience.